Find an equation for the line that passes through the point 1, -6 and has an x-intercept at x equals -1. Which of the following is an equation of the line in point slope form? So we have the point 1, -6, and then we have an x-intercept at -1. So that means this point right here at x equals -1, which has coordinates -1, 0, because it's on the x-axis, y coordinates got to be 0. So I actually have 2 points, 1, -6, and -1, 0. To find the equation of a line, we start with the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to subtract the y coordinates, 0 minus -6, over the subtracting of the x coordinates, -1 minus 1. So that's 6 over -2, which is -3. Okay, so all of these options have a slope of -3, so I can eliminate nothing yet. Okay, I have to keep working. So point slope form looks like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I can use either of my 2 points. Okay, I can use the 1, -6 or the -1, 0. Let's do both because I don't know which point they used to get their answer. So let's start with this one, 1, -6. So this is going to be y minus -6 equals m, which is -3, times x minus 1. And let's see if this answer shows up in the list. So I do have option A is y plus 6 equals -3 times x minus 1. So we think it's A. If we had not seen this answer in the list, I could have moved on to finding point slope with the other point, right? I could have done y minus 0 equals m, which is -3, times x minus -1. And I could have looked for that one also. There's one that's close to it, C, but it's got the wrong sign right here. So the answer is A.